Hello YouTube and welcome to another general vlog video. Today is kind of a rainy day, but Redneck Ricky just got his first dirt bike and he was dying to try it, so I couldn't tell him no. So there he goes. Got his helmet on, and I think it's got a little more power than what he thinks. Do it! Oh, wait a minute, I missed it on camera. I have my camera zoomed. All right, do it again. There you go. Anyways, he's very happy. He's very excited. Here comes Paw over here with his side-by-side.
I'm still getting rained on.
You go there and sit with Paw. Ricky, go where you can shift gears.
Grandpa!
He's not shifting gears yet, and I'm not sure why. There he goes. Now he's shifting gears. Anyways, I'm standing under the trees. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's pouring down rain. But the kid's excited. He just got his first dirt bike, and I couldn't tell him, no, you can't ride it. So, oh, whoa, that was a big wheelie. He almost lost it. It's slick out here, and he doesn't understand that. Oh, yeah, he's doing good on shifting now. It needs a back fender. And I don't like the kill switch, so I want to put a different style kill switch on it. Oh, there he goes, another wheelie. He seems to be having a lot of fun on it. We're going to paint it to match his helmet. So it'll be blue and white and silver, or blue and silver, or blue and something. Blue and black and white, maybe. Let's zoom in a little bit on him. You know he's going to do another wheelie. Yep, there was a little one. I think he killed it.
Yeah, it's up.
Okay, all the way up is neutral.
Yeah, I knew it.
He's trying to start it. He's wore out. Now he's questioning himself about his neutral. I want to help him, but I want him to learn it all on his own. You're not in neutral, Ricky. All right, let's go over here and see if we can help him out. He's afraid that thing's going to kick back and get him in the shin. Okay, stop giving it gas every time you do that, bub.
Did I?
Yeah, every time you keep giving it gas. Okay, what's your leg? I don't think you're still in neutral. Okay, here, hold this. Wait a minute, I'm filming. Don't put your hand there. No, you're in neutral.
I thought I was.
Okay, so here he goes. He's got a lot to learn on it, but he'll learn. Oh, there goes the wheelie, first thing. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Ricky got his first dirt bike. We'll watch him here for a second. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. You guys remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Watch your comments, because that 12-year-old that's out there riding that bike is the one that answers the comments. And make sure that you subscribe and then click the bell notification down below so you'll be notified when we post another video. And we'll see you on the next video. I hope you guys have a great day, an awesome night, and even better tomorrow. And we'll see you on the next video.